got a 2007 Toyota 4Runner with some spark plugs, so go ahead and get started. I did spray just in case they wanted to do the work, and she did, so I'm like, damn. Good thing I sprayed. We'll see. It's looking pretty bad up in here. Did a pretty kick job here. Let's see how it goes. It was a little tight, but we should be okay. Yeah, we're okay. All right, we need to break those by hand. It just looks so rusty. Take it easy with these. And then once they're loose, we can turn. The other side, the other side's a little more difficult. I got a couple things I got to take off. Little things. Just keep these right here. This lady says, oh my gosh, she says she's had this car for 8 years and has never done anything, so my lucky day. My lucky day. The other side's probably gonna be a little tougher to get out, but I got it. Let's see. We got one of the bushings on. It's okay. Same with the plugs. We'll break them free by hand and take them out. Oh my gosh, look at that. You can almost stick your finger in there. Look at that, oh my gosh. Let's just gap them just because. Just because. Much better. Here, let's just compare so you guys can see the difference up close here. All right. That's pretty funny, actually. Start these by hands. Sorry for the bad lighting, it's kind of a weird spot. Alright, the other side's gonna be more difficult, like I said. Let me just knock this side out real quick. Ooh, in. Real soft with these because they want to break. Like I said, this side's a little more difficult because we got to just do a couple more things. Take a couple things off. Oops. Pretty sure it's maybe gotta go like this, yeah. Okay. Just want everything out of the way because it just sits. These plugs sit in kind of a funny spot. Just take that. It's a 10. Let's see. That'll be a little better. Ooh, don't want to do that. Weld my tools. Yeah, see, then we have plenty of room. We just have to get these brackets. I don't think I need this one out of the way. And I'll take this little hose off too, just to... It's probably really tough to get off, so it looks old. Okay, there we go. There we go. Cool. So I think I'll get that bracket out of the way. I think that's a 12. Let's see if we can get it down there. There we go. Alright, so you just want to get that a little loose so we can just move this thing out of the way. And then I'll tighten it up. Now we'll take the plugs off. Don't want to stab yourself in the finger there. That could suck. These ones look a little better, so. Turn this one around. It's got some old hoses. Want to be careful. The newer ones are a little bit tougher to deal with. I do know that. Yeah, that one came out pretty good. Nice. Sorry about the lighting, it's just kind of a weird spot. Usually it's like I said, these are a little tougher to deal with on the newer ones. You got less room and a little more stuff to take off. Okay, there we go. Got it. Okay, so same thing. We'll take these off by hand. We'll loosen them by hand. Gonna need a little bit another extension. I have one right here. Whoops. what I like about this ratchet is it has a lock on it, so I can use it like a regular one. Oh my gosh, that one's the worst one yet. No. Get the new ones going. Those ones are bad, we already know. Alright, that one's just a little tough, so we'll get that one first. Installed. All right. Okay, one more. Okay. So if we get back on track. Gotta love the gorillas. I'll do first. So we get back on track. All right, so we'll do the bottom one first. It's important just to only do it a little. There you go. Everything looks good.